This is actually quite a high step in for shorter guys like me. It's about 32 inches. Actually, it's about 35 inches to the top right there. And I'm going to have to mount another grab handle. I think I'll mount it right up there. So when you're stepping in and out, you don't slip and break your frickin' neck. And I'm going to have to go down to Lowe's and get a couple of 90-degree elbows for each side of the pump hoses here, because I don't like the loop right there, tripping hazard. I'll secure the wire here. You see how that sticks out like you know what? Just gonna need to turn it that way. And lastly, I had an old mechanical timer right down here to plug in. So you got power for the pump, goes into a timer, and it goes into the plug, which is a ground fault deal. And I was concerned that it wouldn't work with the timer here, but it switched on, no problem. So what I'm trying to do is that this circuit right here goes down here, and the fridge here, that's all on solar power. So when the sun is up and charging for a good 8-9 hours this time of the year, it's all on solar power. You know, pump doesn't use a heck of a lot of power, but it's running at 24/7 and wasting filters. But look at that flow. Holy Moses. Can you see that? Just churning out the water. You know, with the same size pump, slightly smaller pool, and I'm glad my measurements suck. I went with a smaller pool. It doesn't feel much smaller, but more cozy, I guess. But it makes the deck more spacious, and it doesn't overhang on the sides. Even more gooder. So there you have it. It's supposed to be really hot this weekend too. And you know where I'll be. Alright, have a good one.